Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete all bookmarks in Chrome at the same time. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Chrome, and in the first step we have to go to the bookmark manager. We can find this by clicking on the three dots at the top right, then go to bookmarks, and here is the bookmark manager. Once in the bookmark manager I can now find all my bookmarks. Here I could remove individual bookmarks with a right click and delete. But this procedure is not suitable if you have a lot of bookmarks, like me, with over 1600 bookmarks in this folder. If I want to delete them, I go into the folder, press the key combination Ctrl and A to select all bookmarks, and press the delete key to delete them. Alternatively, I could now do a right click and delete them here. However, the folders remain in this way. If I really want to delete everything, I have to do this under Bookmarks bar, because this is where I find all my bookmarks and folders. So I click on Bookmarks bar, press Ctrl A and then delete, and all bookmarks are deleted. It should be noted that the bookmarks in Google Chrome are divided into two areas. These are Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. For the bookmarks bar, we have already deleted all bookmarks. If you still have entries under other bookmarks, then repeat the procedure there in the same way. However, I don't have any bookmarks here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.